ka step ka bakmen ya pi baro hagani ka step na kwa nai khublei yo chief minister Jong jala Meghalaya ublai juba mardor ya ka jingdawa Jong ka voice of the people party ban Pynbna pat ba no ya ka report Jong ka expert committee wat lada ka party ka sngo thamula ya ka jingkren ka Jong chief minister ubla penpau ba ka daw ka bala penong ya ka Sorkar ba kama ban Pynbna pat ba kloi ya ka report ka day na marba ka report kala Jong pala bat kala khya pala ngim pat ju Khmih sngo kot ya ka bakum kani ka jing ai daw Jong ka Sorkar lese ka Sorkar MDA balai lam ke NPP ka pension rim ya ka policy da ka jing Jong bat ka jing khya Jong ka policy nyuma ni don ka jing kamen ka baskem baga Sorkar kan shu kular thli ban Pynbna pai ba no ya ka report bangi da Khmih Lynti ba Shen ka Sorkar jala kan Pynbna pai ba no ya ka report Jong ka expert committee publish boy. Good morning everyone. In this morning I would like to thank the Chief Minister for his swift response to the demand of the voice of the People Party in respect to the report of the expert committee. Even though the party feels it is rather strange to hear from the Chief Minister that the reason for the delay to announce the report of the expert committee is because the report was too lengthy and too heavy. This is the first time that we have come across this kind of an excuse. Perhaps the NPP-led government determines the quality and effectiveness of a policy by the length and the weight of the policy document. Anyway, the party hope that this is not going to be an empty promise to the people and that soon the government will come out with a report without further delay. Thank you.